Hair transplantation is a cosmetic procedure that involves removing hair follicles from one part of the body, typically the scalp, and transplanting them to another part of the scalp that is experiencing hair loss. This procedure is a viable solution for those who are experiencing hair thinning, balding or receding hairlines. In this article, we will discuss the hair transplantation process, including preoperative care, surgical techniques, and postoperative care. Preoperative care. Before the hair transplantation procedure, the patient will meet with a surgeon for a consultation. During this consultation, the surgeon will examine the patient's scalp, review their medical history and determine if they are a suitable candidate for the procedure. The surgeon will also discuss the patient's goals and expectations for the procedure, as well as the potential risks and complications. In preparation for the procedure, the patient will need to avoid certain medications, such as blood thinners and aspirin, for several days prior to the surgery. They will also need to refrain from smoking for a period of time before and after the procedure, as smoking can interfere with the healing process. Surgical techniques. There are two primary techniques used in hair transplantation: follicular unit transplantation, FUT, and follicular unit extraction, FUE. Follicular unit transplantation, FUT. During FUT, the surgeon will remove a strip of scalp from the donor area, typically the back of the head. The strip is then dissected into individual hair follicles, which are then transplanted to the recipient area. Follicular unit extraction, FUE. In FUE, the surgeon will use a small, circular instrument to remove individual hair follicles from the donor area. These follicles are then transplanted to the recipient area. Regardless of the technique used, the surgeon will prepare the recipient area by making small incisions in the scalp. The follicles are then transplanted into these incisions, with the surgeon carefully positioning each follicle to ensure a natural-looking result. Postoperative care. After the procedure, the patient will be given instructions on how to care for their scalp. They may need to take pain medication for a few days, and they will need to avoid strenuous activity for a few weeks. The patient will also need to avoid touching their scalp or scratching it, as this can disrupt the healing process. The transplanted hair follicles will initially shed, but new hair growth should begin within a few months. It is important to note that the hair growth process can take up to a year, and the patient may need multiple procedures to achieve their desired result. Conclusion. Hair transplantation is a safe and effective solution for those experiencing hair loss. With proper preoperative care, surgical techniques, and postoperative care, patients can achieve natural-looking hair growth and improved confidence. It is important to consult with a qualified and experienced surgeon to determine if hair transplantation is the right solution for you. Follicular unit transplantation, FUT. FUT is also known as the strip method because it involves removing a strip of skin from the donor area. The strip is typically 1 to 2 cm wide and 15 to 20 cm long, depending on the amount of hair follicles needed. The surgeon then uses a scalpel to separate the strip into individual hair follicles. After the hair follicles are separated, the surgeon creates tiny incisions in the recipient area. The follicles are then transplanted into these incisions, typically in groups of 1 to 4 follicles, to achieve a natural-looking result. Follicular unit extraction, FUE. FUE involves removing individual hair follicles from the donor area using a small, circular instrument called a punch. The punch makes a small, circular incision around the hair follicle, which is then extracted from the scalp. FUE has several advantages over FUT, including a shorter recovery time, less scarring, and the ability to harvest hair follicles from other parts of the body, such as the beard or chest. Postoperative care. After the procedure, the patient will need to avoid strenuous activity for several weeks, as this can disrupt the healing process. They may also need to wear a protective bandage or hat to protect their scalp from the sun and other environmental factors. The patient will typically experience some swelling, redness, and soreness in the scalp for a few days after the procedure. Pain medication and antibiotics may be prescribed to help manage these symptoms. It is important to avoid touching or scratching the scalp, as this can damage the hair follicles and disrupt the healing process. Patients should also avoid washing their hair for the first few days after the procedure, and they should follow their surgeon's instructions for shampooing and conditioning their hair in the weeks following the procedure. It can take several months for the transplanted hair follicles to begin growing new hair, and the full results of the procedure may not be visible for up to a year after the procedure. In some cases, patients may need additional procedures to achieve their desired result. Overall, hair transplantation is a safe and effective solution for those experiencing hair loss. With proper preoperative care, surgical techniques, and post-operative care, patients can achieve natural-looking hair growth and improved confidence. It is important to consult with a qualified and experienced surgeon to determine if hair transplantation is the right solution for you. Complications and risks. As with any surgical procedure, hair transplantation carries some risks and potential complications. These may include bleeding, infection, scarring, and damage to the hair follicles. It is important for patients to carefully research their surgeon and clinic to ensure they are qualified and experienced in hair transplantation. Patients should also disclose any medical conditions or medications they are taking to their surgeon before the procedure, as certain conditions and medications may increase the risk of complications. The cost of hair transplantation can vary depending on a variety of factors, including the extent of hair loss, the amount of hair follicles needed, and the geographic location of the clinic. In general, hair transplantation is considered a cosmetic procedure and is not covered by insurance. Some clinics may offer financing options or payment plans to make the procedure more affordable for patients. Alternatives. For those who are not candidates for hair transplantation or prefer a non-surgical solution, there are several alternatives available. These may include topical hair growth products, hair pieces or wigs, or scalp micropigmentation, which involves tattooing the scalp to create the appearance of hair. It is important to discuss all available options with a qualified healthcare professional to determine the best solution for each individual case. Conclusion. Hair transplantation is a safe and effective solution for those experiencing hair loss. The procedure involves harvesting hair follicles from a donor area and transplanting them into the recipient area to create natural-looking hair growth. There are two main techniques used in hair transplantation, food and fouet. Both techniques have advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of technique will depend on the individual case. Post-operative care is important to ensure proper healing and optimal results. Patients should carefully follow their surgeon's instructions for care and avoid strenuous activity and exposure to the sun and other environmental factors. Overall, hair transplantation is a valuable solution for those seeking to restore their hair and improve their self-confidence. By consulting with a qualified and experienced surgeon, patients can achieve natural-looking hair growth and improved quality of life.